quick video today. I have a raised Cinderblock planter and I'm going to fill it with grout. While building, I used 1/2 inch number 4 rebar in the footings and cross beams. I'm cutting some 1/2 inch number 4 rebar for some of the verticals, which overlaps with the rebar that I used in the footings. Now I'm going to mix some 60-pound bags of concrete. I always prefer the 60-pound just because it's a little easier to handle. I'm using some Lehigh product. It's out of Southern California. Using my Harbor Freight concrete mixer. This thing's lasted me quite a while. I just leave it outside. I bash it to shit, but it still does me pretty well. Doing 3 bags at a time, using water to keep the dust down and to mix it to a good consistency. I always feel like I go a little too wet, but I'm not a pro. Right after I dump a load, then I'll wash out the concrete mixer so it's ready for the next load. And probably the worst part, just filling all the holes manually. Make sure all the rebar's in securely, and sometimes you get some shrinkage, so you just have to fill it up even more. Then I come through with a concrete vibrator, make sure all the air bubbles are out and everything's settled. Quite a bit of water in that one hole there. We had some overnight rain and it was stuck in the bottom of the footing, but I was able to vibrate it out and try to bring it to a better consistency. Feel like if it's too wet, you get a lot of shrinkage, and then this top sinks down. You have to refill it up. Feel like it's a little easier if you just have a better consistency to start with. I come and screed it with just any flat edge. I use just a piece of wood, just as you would do, a sidewalk or any other concrete pour. And then I just smooth it out with a trowel or a mag float. There you go, a little bit of cleanup and it's ready for some base coat stucco. I'll be posting that on the next one. Thanks guys. Shout out if you have any suggestions where I screwed up things, or I'm always learning. Appreciate your views, and please subscribe and like. Thank you.